To make this paper balloon, we need a lightweight, simple piece of paper. We need a square piece of paper, so we fold the A4 sheet into a triangle and again fold the remaining end and cut it off. As you open the paper, you now have one fold, so we fold the paper in half. Open the paper and fold the paper again on the diagonal, so you have 3 folds. Open your paper. You have 4 folds from corner to corner and 2 folds on the straight. Push the 2 folds on the straight in towards the middle and allow the paper to form a triangle. Now you should have 4 flaps. Fold each flap back onto itself. Again, you should have 4 flaps, but this time you have a square. Fold in the thick side of each corner, front and back. You now should have 6 flaps and a hexagon. Fold the outer flaps one at a time into itself. Fold again and carefully insert the fold into the slit of the piece next to it. Do the same with the rest of the flaps, front and back. your paper balloon is ready. If you look at the one side, it should be completely closed. As you turn it around, the other side should have a hole. You blow into that hole to open your balloon. Have fun, and please subscribe and like. Thank you.